Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. All right. Juan, Miss Danny asked your condition today. When I ask you, how are you today? You have to answer, I'm good, I'm good, I'm very good. Okay, got it? Okay, great. How are you today, everyone? I'm good, I'm good, I'm very good. Okay, great. Since our topic today is about comparative and superlative, Miss Denny would like to ask you to take something around you. Anything. It's up to you, yeah? It can be pencil, bottle, book, or anything. It's up to you. Okay? I give you 1 minute to take something around you. Okay, yeah, in one, please. And then show me. Okay, good, good. Rina, okay, good. Okay, Andy, okay, good. Okay, good, everyone. Andy, what is the thing? Show me. Okay, what is it? Pencil? Okay, good. And then book. Okay. How about you, Rina? Okay, you take a bottle and then you take a pencil. Okay, good. How about you, Ronnie? Okay, you take a book and then you take okay, pencil. Okay, good job, everyone. Okay, yes. Please pay attention. I would like to share the topic today. Okay. Oh, before it, I would like to know what is it used. Okay, start from Ronnie. What is it? You have a pencil, Ronnie? Yeah. What is it used? Okay, it used for. Okay, good job. How about you, Nisa? What is it used? Okay, you have a bottle, right? What is it used? Okay, here is for. Okay, and then. Okay, Akmal, you have book, right? Okay, Akmal, what is it used? Okay, good job. Okay, yeah, this is our topic today, everyone. Okay, okay, there. Is it visible? Okay, I hope so. Okay, our topic today is that comparative and superlative adjective. So, the thing that come up in our mind, what is comparative actually? Comparative, we use comparative to compare things. When you have two things and then you like to compare it, you have to use the comparative, okay? And then the formula here, we come up with the formula by adding er or using more. For example, like this. Um, the girl is taller than her brother. Okay. And then in this case, Miss Denny have a phone and tablet. The tablet is bigger than this phone. Okay. And then everyone, then we have to use more if it is two syllables. Okay, like this. For example, beautiful. Beautiful. How many syllables? Okay, four. And then interesting. Interesting. How many syllables? Okay, 4 syllables. So in this case, when Miss Denny would like to say tablet is more interesting than phone, is it correct or false? False. Are you sure false? Correct, miss. Okay, it's correct, everyone. Because interesting is more than 1 syllable. So we have interesting. Okay, interesting, 4 syllables. So tablet is more interesting than phone. However, we only need to add er. For example, tall become taller, big become bigger, sweet become sweeter when it is 1 syllable only. For example, this tablet is bigger than this smartphone. Got it? Got the point? Okay, good job. Yeah. This is the summary of the formula, yeah. When this is a syllables, okay, I would like to recalling your mind. When it is 1 syllable, you just need to add er. For example, tall become taller, fast become faster. However, if it is more than 1 syllable, for example, interesting, or the adjective is beautiful, you, you use more. Okay, good job. For example, beautiful become more beautiful, expensive become more expensive. Yeah, and this is the note that if the ending of the adjective is Y, you need to change it to be A. Yeah, for example, happy, happier, easy, easier. Okay, okay. And then we we have to come up to the superlative. But before we come up to the superlative, I would like to ask you to give one example only using comparative. Using something that you have take before, like Anissa, you take a bottle and pencil, right? So please try to compare the two things. Okay, good job. Bottle is bigger than pencil, miss. Okay, good job, Nisa. Okay, everyone, you have tried to make an example. Next, we will talk more about superlative. Okay, everyone, when we have to use superlative, we can use superlative if you like to show an incredible thing, a powerful thing, the highest, the best. Yeah, like this. You would like to make to show the highest degree of the quality. And then in this case, if in a comparative you use er and superlative you use est and using most. In comparative, we use er and more, but in superlative, we use est and most. Okay? Okay, good job. For example, tall in comparative become taller, but in superlative become tallest. Okay, and then most interesting and in comparative interesting become more interesting and superlative become most interesting. Got it? Okay, good job. How about the rules, miss? The rules is the same, everyone. If it is 1 syllable, you just need to add est. For example, tall become tallest, fast become faster, fastest. And then, if this is more than 2 syllables, you have to use most. For example, beautiful become most beautiful, expensive become most expensive. Okay, good job. And there's an exceptions or pengecualian. We cannot always use tall become taller and tallest, or big become bigger or biggest. But there is irregular form. Irregular meaning that this is not in a good form or in a good rules, atau tidak beraturan. Jadi kalau tadi beraturan ya, jadi big, tinggal nambah IR jadi bigger. Artinya udah lebih besar. Kalau biggest, tinggal nambah IST jadinya paling besar. So in this case, there is an exception. It is a regular form. Atau form-form yang tidak beraturan. Nggak ikut aturan IR or tidak ikut aturan IST. In this case, you have to remember all the words here. For example, good. You cannot say gooder, but you have to say better. And then for the highest is best. Jadi good bukan good, gooder, goodest, tapi good, better, and best. Okay, for example, Anna is the best student in this class. Yeah, like that. Okay, good job, everyone. In order to recalling your memorizations, this is the practice time. Let's guess. Okay. Okay, the comparative or superlative here. Okay, pay attention. This task is easier than the last one. Is it correct or incorrect? Okay, is it comparative or superlative? Okay, he is the best player on the team. Is it correct or incorrect? Okay, is it comparative or superlative? Okay, good job, everyone. And this is the time for you to fill in the blank here. Okay, number one. Okay, good. Number two. Are you sure intelligent or intelligent test? Are you sure? Remember to use more or most, everyone. Okay, good job. Number three. Okay, great. Okay, this is the summary of our topic today. Okay, when you have to use comparative, if you like to compare the things, and then you have to use ER and then or more, okay? And when you have to use superlative, when you like to show the highest degree, the best, the tallest, for example. And then you use EST and most. And then there is some adjective that irregular that didn't follow the rules. So you have to remember. For example, good, become better, and best. Okay, good job. Okay, before we come up to our next project, I like to recalling your memory. I would like to ask one by one what you have learned from our class today. Okay, yes, your time, Anissa. Okay, what you have learned from our topic today? Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. Okay, good job. How about you, Akmal? Okay. Mm-mm, mm-mm. Okay, good job. Okay, everyone. So this is the time for you to for the writing class. Okay. I will have to stop the share screen first. Okay, this is the time for you to for writing class. I would like you to make a letter to yourself. Okay, just prepare a piece of paper and then a pencil. Okay. Okay, good job. Okay. Pay attention to my instructions, everyone. Okay. The instruction here is that write a letter to yourself about why you are proud of you using some of the comparative or some of the superlative sentence. Okay, makes sense? Write a letter to yourself and then you have to write a letter about why you are proud of you. For example, yeah. Hello everyone, my name is Daniatri. I'm so proud of to myself because I am as the smart student in class. It's showing by blah 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 blah. I have two brothers at home, and I'm is bigger or older than my little sister. Okay, so on. Yeah, you have to make a story about yourself, why you are so proud of to yourself. You have to use a sentence, it can be comparative or superlative sentence in your story, in your writing. Okay, good job everyone. Good luck. I give you, I think, 5 minutes if it's enough. And later on, I would like to know your story. So meaning that you have to read it aloud, so the other can know well your story. Okay, good luck. Okay, good job. Okay. Okay, good job everyone. Time's up. Okay, yeah, please put your pencil everyone and then show me your a piece of paper that you have finished your work. Okay, good job. Okay, this is the time for reading class. Okay, Nisa, yes, you can. Okay, you can present your story. Okay, yeah, our students have present all their story today. Okay, everyone, that's all for our class today. We have learned a lot about comparative and superlative, and you have a compare thing around you. So many things around you, like right? For example, Anissa take a bottle and pencil, and then Anissa comparing, and then Akmal doing the same things. Yeah, so many things that we can compare, and then so many things that we can decide that this is the best or the highest, the better, or the best, the highest, or the biggest, using a superlative. That's all for our class today. Is that any question before we end our class? Okay. Okay, you have questions? Okay, what is the questions? Okay, good job. Okay, great. No questions anymore? Okay, good. Good job, everyone. Thank you for nice attentions. But before we end our class, please move your hand like this. When I ask you, are you ready to end our class? You have to say yes, 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 like this. Okay, good job. Yes, move your hand like this. Okay. Are you ready to end our class, everyone? Yes, 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 Miss. Okay, great. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for your nice attentions. Have a great day. I like to end our meeting today. See you.